Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Alfredo using canned sauce. First, gather all your ingredients like your favorite canned Alfredo, pasta, and any additions such as chicken or broccoli. Next, get your cooking equipment ready, including a large pot for pasta and a saucepan for the sauce. This preparation ensures a smooth and quick cooking process, making your meal enjoyable and stress-free. Now, let's elevate that canned sauce. Pour your Alfredo sauce into a saucepan and heat it over low to medium heat, stirring occasionally. For an extra creamy texture, stir in about 1/4 cup of milk or heavy cream. Enhance the flavor with a pinch of garlic powder and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Keep it warm but do not boil. Once your pasta is al dente, drain it well, ensuring no excess water remains. Transfer the hot, drained pasta directly into the saucepan with your warmed Alfredo sauce. Gently toss to coat every strand evenly. If you've prepared chicken, shrimp, or vegetables, now is the time to fold them into the mixture, ensuring everything is well combined. Your quick and easy Alfredo is almost ready. For a beautiful finish and extra flavor, sprinkle with some freshly chopped parsley or a generous amount of grated Parmesan cheese. Serve your Alfredo immediately while it's warm and creamy. This simple method allows you to enjoy a satisfying meal in just minutes, perfect for any busy evening.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.